this would be our place for the whole week. This would be our bedroom now. And this is for free. Yes, you've heard it right. This is for free for the whole week that we're in. And I will walk you around. This is a blessing. This is a 2 fully furnished bedroom, and yeah, we'll go around here and let's check. Let's check the bathroom here. Yeah, this is really neat and clean, and there's the bathtub, the shower area here, and yeah, this is really cute. Here's the dining area, and the kitchen is here, and it's complete. Everything is there. Whatever you need, it's in there. And let's see the view in here. Look at that. It's such a beautiful place. Yeah, it's really nice to stay in here. Very relaxing. And here is the living room area, and yeah, it's really cute, very elegant, and just enjoy it. I'm very thankful for the family who let us stay in here and enjoy the place. Thank you very much.